Hello, so week 1 should be in the rear view mirror now. Most of you did the introduction post. 90% of you did the success in an online math course. And then that's where things did not go so great in week 1. Not as many people got moving on homework as I was hoping. So maybe 3 or 4 people made good progress on homework. So the issue with that is that coming up in week 2, all that you have this week is to finish up that stats homework and then get ready for a stats exam. And you have this week 2 reflection. So again, if you check out the course outline checklist for week 2, reflection, working on my math lab homework, and then your stats exam, which you get 2 attempts on, is due next Monday, June the 18th. The hope is that you get that stuff done and you can even start working on graph theory homework, because the test for that is 1 week later on June 25th. Now the good news is the graph theory chapter is much shorter than the stats chapter, but still, it would be nice to see a little more progress going on my math lab homework. So let's see how that goes. I'll remind you of some things that we talked about in the syllabus. There is tutoring going on at Blackhawk in the Tutoring and Testing Center. You can call them about hours for that. There's also tutoring online through tutor.com. You can also post questions about homework in the forum. There's a discussion post specifically for stats homework help. If it'll load, yep, right here, stats homework help, and there's nothing in there yet, so those would all be good things to do. Okay, so I am relatively happy that at least we got everyone posted here, and I think everyone has a My Math Lab account now, but we do need to get moving on our homework for stats, so that's pretty much the update for this week. I'll be back next week to give a little bit of a further update. I'll probably do that update on Tuesday after I get to go over all of the tests that are turned in on Monday next week. So, okay, thanks.